That day changed my life forever. I had an active and vibrant life, and it was all taken away.
On November 5th, 2020, Carla was providing home health care to a patient at their home. While leaving the patient's home, Carla tripped and fell on a defective sidewalk in a poorly maintained construction area, causing her to strike her head and neck and becoming paralyzed from the waist down. Without proper resources, Carla has been living in a nursing home since the accident, even though she was only 58 years old when it happened. After years of grueling litigation, Carla's case settled for the entire amount of the defendant's insurance policy. And for most law firms, that would have been the end of the story. But most law firms are not Anzalone and Doyle.
I went from being fully independent to wheelchair bound in a matter of moments. I knew I needed help from a good attorney.
When we first took the case, we wanted to make sure that Carla would be financially secure for the rest of her life. But we couldn't stop there. Carla hired our team at Anzalone and Doyle Trial Lawyers to hold those responsible for the condition on which she fell. And we made a promise to Carla that one day we would get her out of the nursing home that she was living in. I just felt our job wasn't finished. It wasn't going to be finished until we saw to it that Carla could move into a new home and get her independence back. We hired a local real estate agent, a designer, a contractor, and a local home healthcare agency to make sure that Carla's new home, her furniture, and all of her appliances were handicap compliant. We made sure that Carla was able to move out of the nursing home and into a fully handicap accessible home with a live-in home healthcare aide.
They did the impossible. They got me the compensation I needed and didn't stop there. They helped me figure out my new life. I felt reborn and I was excited. I knew I didn't want to be in the nursing home for the rest of my life.
Sometimes, winning isn't enough. We have a responsibility that goes beyond the courtroom, goes beyond a settlement. We have a moral obligation to help people get their lives back.
I can't believe the generosity of Anzalone and Doyle with all the time and work that they did. Jamie and his law firm did the impossible for me. I can now enjoy a meal and take a shower in my own home. The settlement made this all possible, but Anzalone and Doyle made it a reality.